Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. The food today, let's learn how to create this beautiful mermaid core eye makeup look. Firstly, I'm adding a moisturizer. Remember, always make it starts with moisturizer. No moisturizer. Next comes the color correcting. If you guys want the product details, I'll add it up in the description box. Do check out. Blend the product thoroughly onto my skin. Now let's layer it with the foundation. Remember to always wet the half and remove the excess water off before using it. Now let's set the foundation with the help of a loose powder. Remember to always remove the excess product off the powder. Now it's time for the eyebrows. Always start off from the middle and take it up to the end. Now it's time for my favorite part, the eyeshadow. I'm using this light pink shade as a base for my eye makeup. I'm blending it all over the lid area. Next, I'm adding this pink shimmery shade only on my makeup ornaments. I believe that the shimmers always give life for our makeup we create. And you guys, I'm taking this hot pink shade and blending it on the vertical lines and blending it all over the eyes area to achieve the look I have created. For the next step, I'm adding mascara for the lips and lining it with the pink lip liner. I'm following it with the pink lipstick. And for the final touch, I'm adding a lip gloss. Next up, we are adding the highlighter on the nose bridge and on the cheekbone to intensify the look. And lastly, we are adding up the lips. So that's it for today. Do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.